Hey viewers, today we learn about factorization of quadratic expression. In the previous, we expand the quadratic expression. Now we factorize. And first, we know what is a quadratic expression. A quadratic expression is in one variable. The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, where the variable's power is 2, and it is also called the equation of degree 2. Equation of degree 2, it means कि higher power of variable is 2, that is called the quadratic expression, where x is a variable and a, b, c are a and b are coefficient and c is constant, and especially a is not equal to 0 because we work with the x square, and if this is 0 and it will also 0, so this is not a standard form of quadratic equation. So a is not equal to 0 should be necessary. Next, to factoring, which is called factorizing. If there is used to factoring quadratic, it means it is a factorize. Factorize is a UK word and we use this factor. We make the factor of an equation and then we solve them. For example, in previous lesson you do x plus 4, x minus 1. You do the expansion of these, just like first x square minus x plus 4x minus 4, and we solve it easily. X square plus 3x minus 4. We expand our factors and get the equation, and now we can say x plus 4 and x minus 1, x square plus 3x minus 4. If we go in this side, we expand it, and if reverse of the expansion, when we expand we get this equation, and the reverse of expansion is factorization. And the simple and easy way to factorize expansion is a very easy way, but factorization is little bit tricky but not a difficult. Just you make the factor and make the choice of correct factors from them and then do the questions. Now if your expression is ax square plus bx plus c, this is the standard form, and this is your equation 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now you see what is a. You put aside a is equal to 2, b is equal to plus 7. This sign will also, if I write here minus, so it means b is equal to minus 7, but here is b is equal to plus 7 and c is equal to 3. We find the, now the first step is we multiply a into c. Here our a is 2 and c is 3, we get 6. Now we make the factor of 6. Second step, making factor. multiplying, making factor of what we get from A into C, 6. Factor of 6 is equal to 1 into 6, 6, 2 into 3, 6. There are total factor of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. When we take them, we take 1 and 6 both and 2 and 3 both, because when we multiply them, we get 6. So now we see where we find the 7b. When we multiply A and C, our answer should be 7. B, we find from them the B. If it is positive, we need positive B. If we put it negative, then we need the negative B. Here is our positive B. We put the signs of integers with them. Plus 1 multiply by plus 6. When we add them, 6 plus 1, 7. It means we get 7. Minus 1 plus 6 plus 5. Plus 1 minus 6 minus 5. Same, the second our factor is 2 into 3. 2 into 3. If we put plus 2 plus 3 equal to 5, minus 2 plus 3, 1, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, plus 2 minus 3 minus 1. These are our factors. But where we find our B? We find our B in these factors. These are our plus 1 and plus 6. 6 ones are 6. Our factor complete our expression plus 7x. Our factors are plus 1 and plus 6 and we get 7. So here is B is 7. So we make the factors as A into C, which get the in term of B. So 1 and 6. First we take the bigger one. 2x square comes its place. 7x is split into 6x plus 1x. No need to write here 1x when there is nothing written. 1 is exist there. Plus 3. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus sign plus everything you should check here. And now you take common from these two and these two. From here we take common 1x and 2, because bigger amount is 2. Now 2x is common and remain x plus 2 3s are 6. X is already outside. Plus here is nothing common. No, here is 1 common. So we take 1 from them, x plus 3. Now we combine this. X plus 3 is common from here and remainder is 2x plus 1. So we take 2x plus 1 here and x plus 3 here. This is your factors of equation 2x square plus 7x plus 3. If you now expand this one, you can check your answer. You get this equation. If your signs are little bit different from here, your total expression change, so it would be wrong. So carefully you choose the factors and make the all factors plus minus according to your integer signs and then choose the correct one. Okay, thank you.